I don't know why I just did that. Sorry about that. Still kind of hungover from last night. Textual abuse. Yo, if you stop it. Stop it! You mean if you tell me say after liquor school, primary school, high school, and then college, you have his, her, cannot, was, ham, still ham, does not know how, to her was not farm, her blows her skirt sentence, you still can't spell? There's a difference between texting shorthand and just straight up dunce. Texting shorthand are when you don't have no credit, and when you have text on platforms such as Twitter. So 2 becomes 2. TOO becomes the number 2. Alright? We understand texting shorthand. But when you're dunce, no, that's when you write THERE for TAEIR, or vice versa. When you want to say WOULD and you write WOOD, that's a dunceness. And textual abuse, they stop. People know what to do is just like they keep fucking up. Whether the sentence is ungrammatical or they don't know like the difference between the homonyms. They keep fucking up homonyms. Didn't they teach you to read over? When I see some of the shit people put online or text to other people, what the fuck did you use to text that person? Your elbows? Are you texting with your freaking eyes closed? Like, man, honestly, I wonder, like, what the fuck do you use to determine which word come next in a sentence? Sometimes I wonder if someone will use like a bingo callback when they not text people. When they just dip on in there and any word come up when they just slap it off in a sentence. A regular English sentence is subject, verb. But someone will have subject, ebonics, when they have maths in it, a recipe, goddamn horoscope signs, artwork from the pyramids of Egypt. When they have friggin' caveman grunt, just like a bag of shit when don't make no sense in a sentence. I know they can't spell. I know that English is not the easiest language to deal with, because sometimes you have to wonder if it's practice with a C or practice with a S. It really gets you sometimes. But what the French fuck are some of you texting to people? Like, you have girls with text niggas.
Do you think I'm sexy?
SECK-C. No, bitch. I do not think you're SECK-C. What I think of you is that you can't see SEE, because you must be freaking blind to be texting me some of that stupid shit. Ladies, let me say this to you real quick. You see, if the nigga where I text you cannot spell, that is probably a good sign that you do not want to be in a relationship with him. You are definitely going to have communication problem. Full stop can't be in the middle of sentence. Why would you put a capital letter at the end of a word? How are you going to pluralize an adjective? People are always like writing shit like I'm, you am, alright? You am a damn fool. I mean, like, everybody have them time when they mess up when them texting. Some of the times I read over the shit that I write for like about 3, 4, 5 times, and after I post it, I see a mistake. I said this before and I will say it again. Repetition is a parent of learning. Repetition is a parent of learning. A place of ignorance is the best place from which learning can take place. Get off the dictionary. Use that shit when you're texting people. This textual abuse must stop. If you have any texting on your phone or on any social media site, any form of text where you see where ungrammatical or there is just some ridiculous shorthand and misspelling of words and misuse of homonyms, synonyms, antonyms, you send that shit to me. I'm going to put them on blast. And with that said, like this video, share this video, and you know who it is, man. This me, man. Kevin too crazy. Think it, believe it, and live to achieve it. My God. Stop textual abuse. Lydia. Yes, man. How the fuck is a bitch gonna text you shit like
I want to get clothes.
CLOTHES?
To you.
You need to get CLOSE to a dictionary.